Have you ever wondered how to use InVideo AI to produce videos for free? Well, ponder no more. Today we dive into the world of InVideo AI, an innovative platform that's revolutionizing content creation. InVideo AI is a game changer for creators, offering intuitive, powerful tools and features that can transform ideas into captivating videos. But how does one navigate this platform? No worries, it's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to InVideo's website and create a free account. It's as easy as inputting your email and setting a password. In no time, you'll have access to a world of creative tools. Step 2. Choose a template. InVideo AI has a vast library of pre-made templates designed by professionals. Whether you're crafting a short ad or a lengthy documentary, there's a template that suits your needs. Step 3. Customize it. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. InVideo AI provides a user-friendly editor where you can add images, text, music, and even voiceovers. The platform's AI will guide you, suggesting edits and enhancements that can elevate your content. Step 4. Let the AI work its magic. Once you've made your tweaks, hit the AI Edit button. The artificial intelligence behind InVideo will analyze your content, making adjustments to optimize the pacing, transitions, and overall look and feel of your video. The final step, export and share. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can export it in various formats and resolutions, ready to share with the world. InVideo AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in creativity. It takes the hassle out of video editing, allowing you to focus on telling your story. So to recap, here's how to use InVideo AI. Sign up for a free account, choose a template, customize it, let the AI do its thing, then export and share. With InVideo AI, you're not just creating videos, you're creating experiences. So why wait? Embark on your InVideo AI journey today and let your creativity run wild. Remember, great stories start with a single idea, and with InVideo AI, you can bring those ideas to life.